This is the handmade ventilating needle by hand signature. Okay, we have two different types of pins. One of the pins, from the shape you can see, is kind of slanted. You can see the curvature here, like the angle is not so deep. You can see how it's looking. Okay, while the other one is more bent. We've had so many customers within the few weeks this ventilating needles came out, and now they asked me how can you use it, that they would want to know how to use it. So normally when you're buying this ventilating needle, it comes with two of this and two of this. So now what next are you supposed to do before using this needle? It's actually advisable, first things first, is to practice using these two. Okay, using these two types. Then once you find the one that works for you best, you apply a tiny glue at the edge. This is how you do it. You apply a little glue here before finally inserting it into the hole. That way it secures it and it doesn't ever move out when you're using it. So this is the one I normally use for all my ventilating, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to ventilate with this slanted one and also this. So let's go ahead and start with this. So now all you have to do is take the needle, pass it through a hole, grab two strands of hair, pull it backwards, maintaining the slight tension right there. You go ahead and grab the hair. You can see my needle is facing upwards, right? This pointed edge is facing upwards. You grab the hair and you twist in a clockwise direction, and then you pull everything to the edge of the hook, and then you knot. So there's a tiny hook at the edge of this needle. So I'll go again, pass it through the net. Now when you're passing through the net, I wish I can get this closer. Now this is how you pass it through the net. You go under like so, and then you come upwards. Then you grab two strands of hair, you pull it like that, and then you grab and then you move in a clockwise direction until your hook is facing downwards. Push everything to the end and you knot. This is very, very easy to use. I'm just going to make two more for you guys. Just going to make two more for you guys to see. You can even grab as many hair, like here we have about 3 strands. Knot. Now how do you use the other? Haven't glued this yet. Go ahead, still the same method. Go under a net, grab some hairs, pull it out, tie it. This is a little bit challenging for me because I think I work better with the other one. They are both still the same thing, but let me call my younger sister, so because she prefers using this type of needle, then she can show you how she does it. Now she's going to be using her own needle. She tied it to a stick like that. So let's see how she does it. She passes it under the net, then she grabs some hairs, I think about 3. She actually grabbed 3, then she turns it like that, and then look at that. Let's see what she just did. Man, I don't think I normally do this way. Can you do it again? It's still almost the same process. It's just the way you keep your hands while doing that. Just look at that. These ventilating needles are going for 1,500 naira. So that means a handle, and 4 different pins for 1,500. If you're going for just a handle and 1 pin, is 1,000 naira. So that is it. So yeah, so that is it for the hand signature type of ventilating needle.